Good afternoon, student. Welcome you all in the illumination and electrification of building practical video session. Today we are going to see experiment number 3. Measure the illumination output of different lamps LED, HPMV, HPSV and compare it with their wattages. Here HPMV means high pressure mercury vapor lamp, HPSV means high pressure sodium vapor lamp. Prior concepts for these practicals are types of lamp, illumination level by different type of lamp, proposition for this practical is good illumination scheme. First one is it should provide adequate illumination. It should provide uniform illumination on all working plane. It should avoid glare and shadows as far as possible. And it should have a good color rendering effect. Proposition 2, the luminous efficiency. Whatever the light fittings are used for illuminate the working plane. So all the light fittings or lamps should have high efficient. Learning objectives are to understand the requirement of good illumination scheme, to understand the comparison of different lamp respect to life, lumen depreciation, spectrum of color rendering index and cost, motor skills, nothing but a performance skill. After completing this experiment, you will be able to connect the equipments such as per the circuit diagram and handle the instrument. Next one is ability to observe and record luminous flux. Now the required apparatus for conducting this experiment. First one is lux meter, second one is LED tube light having 22 watt, then HPSV lamp that is 150 watt, then HPMV that is mercury vapor lamp 150 watt, auto transformer 0 to 270 volt, watt meter 300 volt 5 ampere. Take a look for the circuit diagram for the connection arrangement, which is very similar to a previous practical. Instead of using incandescent lamp, we have to replace the LED and HPMV and HPSV instead of connecting an incandescent lamp in the circuit. By connecting LED, we can measure the lux meter with this diagram. After that, for the connection of mercury vapor lamp, we have to replace this lamp with the LED, and after that we have to replace HPSV lamp, that is sodium vapor lamp, replace it with LED. The observation for the LED tube set. Here we kept the lux meter on the working plane under the LED tube set. It measures 128 lux level of illumination for the LED tube set. Now we kept the lux meter in front of the sodium vapor lamp apart 1 meter from its placing. So it gives 688 lux level of illumination. In the box there is a picture of sodium vapor lamp, how the sodium vapor lamp looks like when it glows. Now the observation tables shows the reading about the power and lux level and efficiency. The type of lamp is LED tube light having a power 22 watt. It measured lux level, that is 128 lux, and efficiency is as per standard 200 lumens per watt. Then HPSV, a power watt is consumed 150 watt, gives 688 lux level. Its efficiency is 150 lumens per watt. And last one is high pressure mercury vapor lamp. It consumes 150 power watt and gives lux level, that is 250. Its efficiency is 35 to 65 lumens per watt. So according to the distance between the light sensor and light fittings, the required or available lux level on the working planes are very different. So here we have to keep the light sensor over or below the light fittings. We have to keep the distance between these two as a constant. The conclusion for this experiment: from this experiment we conclude that there is a different illumination level from different lamp. Also we are able to compare illumination and wattage of different lamp. Thank you.